What's up?
Hello.
Hello, hello.
Found a booster.
So what are we doing? We slow rolling this one?
Dude. I don't know what that means.
I'm familiar with Apple letters.
Juice, guys.
This is my fucking headphone. So, I don't know the last time I played with the Apex, but I've been sick. Steven keeps crashing. The last 2 days have been awful. We've not made any records.
Yeah.
Tonight's been a little bit better, but we've still not beat anything.
Gotcha.
Way magically got 10 times better, and I got about 50 times worse.
Well, you gave
I don't
him
know what
all of your
happened.
you gave all of your key to him. That's all.
I done something. I fucked up bad, man.
You still sound bad.
We
You've been sick
almost
for a
got
while.
Boulevard.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I do feel a lot better today, though. Like, I'm getting there. I don't have a pipe bomb. So.
I'm going for the second one.
Good shot.
What did you get?
I went up that
Oh, you're close. He's back inside. Oh no, there's a enemy.
Move up a little. They're slowing down.
Oh. I think there's a invisible. Oh, no, that was a banner.
Running out of ammo.
Are we done?
No,
Watch the back. You can't kill them quick enough.
Still there, still there. I'm back.
Run. Oh.
Reloading.
Found a booster.
I can't pick it up.
Oh, nothing here.
I'm going down. Oh, okay. How? We did that part fast as fuck. Peter. Yeah, I'm gonna hang back for this part, just in case.
No,
I
just
don't
stay
want
out
a
of
repeat of. That's what I mean. Just don't want it to happen again. Let me know when you're going and when we're all going.
No, I think you should come out too. Just
I mean,
walk
I'm
behind
right
me.
here. I'm just watching the back. I'm afraid. I don't want us to die again. Okay. Should we go?
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on!
Okay, okay.
Find a spot now where every second counts.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck. What the
I ran out
fuck?
of punches. Oh, come on.
Could you not jump either?
No, I got to the
God
second
damn
floor.
it.
So.
Me and April both can't
Oh, you
jump
got
down.
stuck there? Oh, I see you.
So dumb. We're still kind of good on time, though. I'm just saying. Well, at this. You're good. You got this. There's a few more.
A 4 or 5.
Are these the ones beside? Is this one stuck?
Oh, yeah, he's on top of you. He
Fuck
can't jump
me.
down. He can't jump down past you.
Oh. Where'd he go?
Oh, good job, buddy.
There you go. Fuck yeah. Now I jump down. Where's my nuke? Oh, it's right there.
Target down.
There we go.
Found the booster.
Found the booster!
Go. Don't everyone go out. Where are you going?
I'm holding the
Is that
bomb
clear?
point.
That's not clear. They're gonna. You all should be up here with me, shouldn't they? What are we doing?
I'm
I
with
don't
you.
understand. I'm so confused. This is new. We don't normally push this. Yes, I like it.
Oh my god. It's impossible. We're not supposed to do this.
Charger. Fuck you.
What the hell? We just this spot.
Pretty sure I left a boost back there somewhere.
I have one boost on me. I may have picked it up.
I have
I got a boost and a nuke on me.
I'm empty.
Pipe bombs, great.
Ryan just followed you. Who the fuck is Ryan?
Here's a pipe bomb, and a nuke, and a boost. Considering we got a
laggy.
One of the members on Team Dragon made a suggestion to more for speed runs with no chip. Like, they really chips, apparently. Because in their times, it's the chips. Nothing to do with us at all.
What the?
11:32. You said their time is 11:10 or something? So we're like 20.
Wait, what was their time?
11:32.
I thought it was 12 something. Oh, are you taking off the first
11:20.
safe room?
11:20.
We were close. Super close.
I'm gonna have to restart my
Yeah, it was just a
headset
couple
if we go
seconds.
another one.
What time is it? Oh, I need to go.
Abnormal. Alright, good night.
Good night,
Night.
everyone.
Good night. How's she saying?